Hi there, I'm Danny, and welcome to Total Device Solutions, your ultimate destination for cutting edge hardware solutions. Today, we'll be delving deep into the world of thermal labels and uncovering their transformative impact on businesses worldwide. Our mission is to provide the best hardware solutions that empower businesses to thrive in a digital age. So, join me as we explore the fascinating realm of thermal labels and how they're revolutionizing industries across the globe. From bustling resale stores to efficient logistics operations, thermal labels have become the cornerstone of modern labeling tasks. So let's dive into the benefits they offer and why they've become an indispensable part of businesses of all sizes. Take a look at this thermal label printer in action. With its lightning fast speed and unwavering reliability, businesses can effortlessly generate thousands of labels, ensuring seamless operations and unmatched customer satisfaction. Whether it's inventory management, order fulfillment, or transaction processing, thermal labels ensure barcode accuracy and readability, minimizing errors and maximizing productivity in every step of the supply chain. But thermal labels aren't just for industrial applications. They're incredibly versatile, making them the perfect product for office environments, for conferences, and for events. Whether it's product labeling or name tags, thermal labels offer unparalleled flexibility and convenience. Despite the initial investment, thermal labels proved to be incredibly cost-effective, with significant savings on consumables like your ink and toner. Coupled with their affordability, they're the smart choice for businesses looking to optimize their operations without breaking the bank. And for those businesses with sustainability at the forefront of their priorities, thermal labels offer yet another advantage. Most thermal paper is recyclable, contributing to waste reduction and environmental conservation efforts, aligning with our commitments to a greener future. And let's not forget about linerless labels, the latest innovation in thermal label technology. With no backing paper, linerless labels not only reduce waste, but also offer increased efficiency and minimize hazards in the workplace environment, making them the ideal choice for high volume labeling applications. Now let's dive deeper into the fascinating technology behind the thermal labels. Unlike traditional printing methods, thermal labels utilize a heat-sensitive coating over a specifically designed paper to create prints without the need for ink or toner, ensuring crisp, high-quality images with every print. There are two primary types of thermal printing technologies: direct thermal and thermal transfer. Each offer unique benefits and cater to diverse business needs, ensuring optimal performance in every application. But don't just take our word for it. Hear from our satisfied customers who have experienced firsthand the remarkable benefits of using the thermal labels in their business, from increased efficiency to enhanced productivity and everything in between. So whether you're a small startup or a multinational corporation, Total Device Solutions is your trusted partner in harnessing the full potential of thermal labels to drive success and innovation in your business. That's all for now, but make sure you subscribe for more industry insights and innovations, and don't forget to follow us on social media.